Hello friends, you know that myself is Ambekar, and today I am going to tell internal parts of you monkeys. So let's start. Monkey has so many parts such as nasal cavity, oral cavity, esophagus, liver, small intestine, bladder, urethra, uh, colon, stomach, heart, lung, trachea, spinal column, inferior. So let's start. Nasal cavity. It helps the lungs to take breathe in and breathe out. Then esophagus. It is useful for stomach so that it can pass through from this monkey pass through his food. Next is liver. Liver produces hydrochloric acid. Next, small intestine. Small intestine absorbs nutrients, minerals from the food. Then gallbladder. And monkey have large intestine also, and it absorbs water from the food. Next is stomach, where the food is stored. Then heart. Heart provide blood to everywhere. Then uh, then infocal it works as brain. Spinal column it is the vessel that go everywhere in body. So uh, colonal means it's large intestine, and then is urethra, which is our anus also we can see. So next is bladder. From in bladder, monkeys save water, waste water. So this was some information of monkeys' internal body parts. So it's over.